We at Out of Office will be starting a video series on Angular, and this is the introduction video. Angular is a JavaScript framework which allows you to create single-page applications. What do we mean when we say a single-page application? A single-page application, like the name suggests, is an application that has only one page. If you see the following simple application made using Angular, we have two links. But we don't actually go to another page when we click on any link. If you see carefully, the reload icon of the browser never animates like it does for other websites or applications which are not single-page applications. This happens because Angular applications have only one HTML page which the server gives, the index.html page, which we can verify by visiting the page source. It does not appear to have the HTML required to render what we are seeing, but I'll explain how this works in the coming videos. Whatever changes that you are visually seeing is just the changes that JavaScript makes to the DOM. And this is one of the main advantages that using Angular gives us, since JavaScript will render the page much faster than getting the page from some server. This enables us to create really reactive and smooth web applications where everything happens instantaneously. If we do need some data from the backend, it happens asynchronously in the background and user experience does not take a hit. So when I click on the link, Angular just updates the DOM of the page to show us what we want. In the coming videos, we will start with the basics of Angular and move towards the advanced features gradually. I will be sharing some of my personal experiences, common mistake areas on all the topics, which I have faced while working professionally as an Angular developer.